Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on this in-depth tutorial on how to master image clarity using Phosus, an exceptional tool that can transform your blurry photos into sharp and detailed works of art. So, let's get started. To begin, start by opening your web browser and heading to Phosus.com. If you are new to Phosus, don't worry. To ensure a smooth start, we recommend watching our comprehensive guide titled How to Get Started with Phosus. This guide will walk you through the account setup process seamlessly. However, if you're already a Phosus user, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Since I'm already logged in, let's jump right into action. Click on the dashboard button located conveniently in the upper right corner of the screen. Welcome to your dashboard, a creative hub that offers an array of powerful image editing tools. To enhance image clarity, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Tools. Alternatively, scroll down until you find the feature we are looking for, Super Resolution. Click on Super Resolution and you will enter the realm of image enhancement. Now, it's time to select the photo you wish to bring to life. You can either click to upload your image or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. Choose the image that you'd like to enhance. Now, let us explore the magic of Super Resolution. You are presented with a choice, 2K or 4K upscale. Keep in mind that the higher the resolution, the more intricate the details in your image will become. For optimal clarity and sharpness, I recommend selecting 4K. Click Proceed to continue. At this stage, patience is your ally. The processing time depends on your internet speed. If you are fortunate to have a high-speed connection, the transformation will be swift. However, for those with slower connections, a bit of patience will yield astounding results. And there you have it. Your image has undergone a remarkable transformation, leaving behind the blurry past. Take a moment to appreciate the newfound details, vibrant colors, and overall improved clarity in your enhanced image. But there's one more crucial step: downloading your enhanced masterpiece. Simply click the download button and Phosus will efficiently save your enhanced image to your device. It is worth noting that each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Before we conclude, let us explore some expert tips to ensure you achieve the best results with Phosus. Firstly, always start with the highest quality image possible. Phosus works wonders with high-resolution photos. Secondly, don't hesitate to experiment with different enhancement settings to achieve the look that aligns with your creative vision. Finally, consider utilizing Phosus' other powerful tools for further refinement, such as cropping, color correction, and more. Phosus is more than just a tool for fixing blurry photos. It is a versatile platform that can take your image editing skills to new heights. Explore Phosus' other features such as retouching, artistic filters, and batch processing to unlock even more creative possibilities. That wraps up our in-depth exploration of image clarity enhancement with Phosus. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or someone who appreciates the beauty of high-resolution imagery, Phosus is your ticket to transforming ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art. So go ahead and unleash your creativity with Phosus. It is a game changer in the world of digital image enhancement. Enjoy your creative journey and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and advanced techniques. Until next time, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.